I just bought a car from Carvana. Me and my brother went to our closest vending machine to pick it up. Watch the machine thing go and get the car from the big car tower. This is so cool to experience and way better than going to an actual dealership. The paperwork took less than 5 minutes to fill out, and we were ready to hit the road with the new car. Here it comes. The moment we had been waiting for. I'm going to buy all my cars from Carvana now. The machine was stuck at the end, but definitely was cool to watch.